In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a PlayStation controller on Forza Horizon 6 PC. This is either a PS4 controller or a PS5 controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're currently on Forza Horizon 6, you need to actually go ahead and exit the game. And once you exit the game, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice and you need to search for DS4 Windows. Once you search for DS4 Windows, go ahead and select the first option. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It's going to be a bunch of download options on here. Some of these are going to be ads. You need to hit get started on this page, hit close on this next page. It's then going to redirect you. Then you need to hit download up in the top right. Look for the official DS4 Windows download. Hit download from here. You may have to scroll down a little bit. Then it's going to redirect you again. This is going to be pretty much like written instructions on how to do this. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do this either way. Just hit download again. And then it'll start downloading up at the top right. It's going to do a zip file. I recommend just dragging this off to your desktop so it's easier to access. Go ahead and extract it by right-clicking, hitting extract all, and then just hitting extract. It should put it on your desktop as well. It's going to be right here now. Then what you need to do is open up this extracted folder and look for the D64 Windows folder inside of it. So open this up. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff in here, and there is a lot in here. What you need to do is look for the application file right here. Go ahead and open this up. It's going to load for a second. Then you need to select program folder. It's then going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. And I'll try and minimize some of this other stuff to try and make this more obvious. But what you're looking for on here is going to be the controller type that you're using. So if you're using like a DualShock 4 controller, which is that like PlayStation 4 controller, you'd select that. You could do a DualSense 5, which is what I'm going to be using right here. So I'm going to tick that. But you can also use Switch controllers, Joy-Cons, and other stuff as well, like the PS3 controllers. Once you go ahead and select the controller that you want, it may ask you to install a specific driver. So just keep that in mind. If it asks you to install that driver, make sure you go ahead and install it. But now you can either connect your controller with either a USB just by plugging it into the controller and the PC, or you could do it with Bluetooth. To do Bluetooth, you could just go down here, open up your Bluetooth settings, and once you open up your Bluetooth settings, hit add device and add your controller from here. And once it's connected, it's going to show in D64 Windows. And then you can just back out of all of this, right? And it once again looks like it's asking me to install a driver right now. You're able to just open up Forza Horizon 6 and it's going to work on PC. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.